Hello and welcome back to Vidyarthee Education. Today we will be discussing a groundbreaking collaboration between ISRO and the Department of Biotechnology. They're joining forces to advance space biotechnology research, a field that could have a massive impact on the future of space exploration and even our lives on Earth. So let's explore what this partnership means and why it is so significant. Now first, why is it in news? Now, the space biotechnology offers solutions to key challenges in the space missions. We'll discuss about the key challenges in the further slides. First, let's set the stage by understanding the key challenges astronauts face during long-term space missions. In space, there is lack of continuous nutrient supply and no simple way to manage waste. Plus, preserving food is complicated by the absence of refrigeration. We do not have refrigerators in space. Now, additionally, the microgravity environment can lead to muscle and bone loss, while the radiation exposure in space significantly increases the risk of cancer and other health conditions like cataracts. Now, all these factors make it difficult to ensure human survival in space. This is where space biotechnology steps in to help address these challenges. What is space biotechnology? It is a study of how living organisms adapt, function, and evolve in space conditions like microgravity and high radiation. By understanding these mechanisms, scientists can develop solutions for human health, sustainability, and more efficient resource use in space. Now, this research is essential for enabling humans to embark on longer missions, such as journey to Mars, while also providing practical benefits for life on the Earth. Now, let's talk about the applications of space biotechnology. The first is microgravity research. In space, the absence of gravity allows scientists to conduct unique experiments. Now, for example, protein crystals. This can grow with fewer imperfections in microgravity, leading to more accurate data on their structures. Now, the knowledge can be applied to develop better and more effective drugs. Targeting conditions like cancer or Alzheimer's. Okay, this can be targeted for cancers and Alzheimer's more precisely. Now, next is radiation research. Now, the radiation space is another critical concern. Programs like BioSentinel by NASA are investigating how human cells repair DNA damage caused by space radiation. Now, understanding this process helps scientists develop strategies to protect astronauts from harmful effects of prolonged exposure to cosmic rays. Now, this research could also be beneficial in treating radiation-related illnesses on Earth. Okay, what is environmental monitoring and bioremediation? Now, the space biotech also plays a role in environmental monitoring. For example, microbes are being studied for their potential to convert barren planetary surfaces like we have on Moon and Mars into fertile soils. Now, this process is known as bioremediation. This is known as bioremediation. This could enable astronauts to grow crops on Mars, making long-term missions more sustainable. And also, it supports self-sustaining life on other planets. Now, let's talk about the disease modeling. The space researchers can simulate diseases that affect astronauts during space travel, such as bone density loss or immune system dysfunction. Now, by studying these models, scientists can develop preventive measures and treatments, ensuring better health outcomes for space travelers and even leading to new therapies for use on Earth. Okay, this also addresses the challenges during the long-term missions. Another fascinating area is bioregenerative life support systems. These systems aim to make space missions self-sustaining by recycling wastes into usable resources like oxygen and clean water. Think of it as a closed loop ecosystem. Closed loop ecosystem. Now, where nothing goes to waste. Now, the lessons learned here could significantly improve resource management and recycling processes on Earth. Now, let's talk about some important space missions that are incorporating biotech research. India is taking major steps with missions like Axiom 4 and Gaganyaan. These projects aim to enhance our understanding of space environments and focus on human spaceflight safety. Now, globally, initiatives like NASA's Space Biology Program and the European Space Agency's BioLab are contributing significantly to this field. For example, NASA is researching the cellular and molecular changes that occur in space, while China's CNSA is running space breeding programs to develop crops resilient to extreme conditions. Now, each of these efforts is helping advance the field of space biotech. To wrap up, the ISRO DBT collaboration is a significant milestone in space research. Now, by investing in space biotech, we are not only ensuring the success of future space missions, but also gaining insights that could revolutionize our lives on Earth. From disease prevention to sustainable living, the potential is immense. Understood? Now, let's see a prelims question. Now, you need to answer it in the comment section. The question is, which of the following statements about the space biotech is or are correct? Okay, the first says space biotech studies how living organisms function and evolve in microgravity. Next, the space biotech has applications in drug development through improved protein crystal growth. Okay, the BioSentinel is a program by ISRO focused on radiation research in space. Now we need to select the correct answer using the code given below. Answer the question in the comment sections. We also have a UPSC mains question. Now discuss the significance of space biotech for advancing space exploration and ensuring human survival in space. Highlight India's contributions and compare them with global initiatives. It is of 250 words. You guys need to write down the answers and practice it. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.